Well, of course, our healthcare system is met by enormous change and turbulence. I think the real value of a conference like this is that we've seen many different parts of the healthcare microcosm. My company is particularly in biopharmaceuticals, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. But it was important for me to also understand what's going on from a payer perspective, what's going on in the diagnostic world. So this really represents CHI, a very broad coalition of everybody in healthcare, from research-based universities, startups, all the way through to large established companies. Well, I think CHI is a great source of briefing materials, probably particularly for smaller and medium-sized companies, but ones large as us as well at Allergan, where we have $5 billion in revenue. I think beyond that, there's a real benefit of being able to talk to one's colleagues, to hear practically from them how are they navigating the challenges, how are they foreseeing the future. And it's a really good coalition of everybody from research-based universities all to startups to the big established companies. Allergan's been a member of CHI from the very year of its foundation, which is roughly 20 years. I've been personally involved for a dozen, so I've seen lots of changes, but I think CHI has kept abreast of what's going on in this state, in Washington, D.C., the United States, but also the world, because, of course, California is a trendsetter for the biomedical industry worldwide. For many organizations that are not yet members of CHI, I'd like to welcome you, because this is a small, inclusive group where you can really approach everybody, and there's a lot of knowledge in this group. Particularly for those that are not yet politically active, it's not only about what's going on in Sacramento, our home state, but also, let's not forget, our federal delegation occupies some very important chairmanships and committee roles in Washington, D.C. So for a modest price, come on in.